Okay, so I've been using the Logitech MX key, this thing right here, this keyboard for quite a while, and I tell you, I love it. I think it's gonna be a year since I got it, and again, really, really love it. Love my setup right here, how I work here. I got two monitors, my computer is kind of docked right here, as you can see right here, and then obviously I need a keyboard and I need a mouse, which I am gonna show you today, right? But again, the Logitech MX key, it comes for Apple as well as Windows, so make sure you get the right one. But I gotta tell you, this thing is so amazing. And I'm going to give you a couple details on this right here so you could have an idea. First of all, you see the color, right? The color is just like my computer, have that space gray color, and it matches so perfectly. And just giving you a quick look, this is kind of how I sit here in my desk. And you could get it in different colors as well. I like this one, obviously matches my computer. But also, if you notice, this is going to be the full-size keyboard. Now, they do sell one that is the shorty right here. You don't have this numbers right here or anything like that. But again, I wanted to get the full size because obviously this is going to be sitting here in my computer. It feels like quality. The moment that you get it, you're going to understand that this feels like quality. The moment that you touch it, the moment you start typing, the moment you pick it up, it's actually quite heavy as well. So the moment you pick it up, everything feels like quality. And like I say, I have had it for a year and so far has been good. Now, there's a couple things that are really cool with this keyboard. And the biggest thing is that if you have a Mac, it does integrate with the Mac really well. I use this keyboard with my Apple MacBook M1 Pro, but it's designed also for MacBook Air, iMac, and iPad models as well. In fact, this section right here allows you to connect to 3 different devices via Bluetooth. So really easy. You can click device 1, 2, and 3. Again, it depends how you have it set up. Maybe you have an iPad here in your desk as well. You could be typing in your computer and just easily press number 2. Now you can start typing in your iPad. So again, it does integrate via Bluetooth to 3 different devices. And the cool thing is that if you go for the matching mouse, this one right here that I've been utilizing for a year as well, it does the same thing. Now I'm going to give you a closer look here to the keys. And as you can see, as you see this key, it does have like a little circle, you could tell right there on camera. So anyways, when you put your fingers there, that fit perfectly, right? So when you're typing, it just feels so good because your finger automatically goes to that spot right there, right? So if you're one of those persons that type all day long, you're going to be able to type so much better than your standard keyboard out there. Also, it's a little bit lift up. So as you're typing, it feels a little bit higher, and that has to do with the back right here. This part right here allows the keyboard to lift up just a little. It does have smart illumination as well. So what it is that the keys are going to be backlit. So the moment that you approach the keyboard, it's just going to happen. And again, it's going to be USB-C charge. I tell you what, it lasts for a long time because I barely charge this thing and it's usually working. Obviously, it comes with the box. Obviously, it comes with the cable to charge it. All the stuff that you need, standard thing. Now, one thing that I say is that it's compatible with Mac. And again, it works pretty well. So it has the buttons that typically Mac keyboard has. So like if I press this button right here, the F3, all the little screens are gonna open up and all that. Now I'm seeing here on my screen, I'm seeing everything open up, right? All the applications that I got open. If I press on it again, it just stopped. Standard things that keyboard do on the Mac, right? Like this right here is the volume. Obviously, you could stop and you can play video as well. You have all the standard things that usually is here on a keyboard, right? Also, if you download some software, you could customize some of the keys. I haven't done that, but I know that it's possible as well. So again, I have had this keyboard for about a year already, and I'm going to tell you it has been great. The battery lasts a long time. It's easy to type. It's easy to use. It looks great on my desk. So far, I got to tell you, after a year using it, I really enjoy it.